Yo, it's Vanessa. I'm just yo average white chick, like that likes to get tan, cause being white is too ew. So today I am exploring the wilderness, as you can see. I really like nature and trees and butterflies and animals. I just love it all. So let's get started. Okay. Alright. Now here we have a beautiful tree that is perfect for taking selfies. Like, tree. Are you Alright, okay, we good, okay. So, that tree right there, yeah, that's my tree, that's my home dog. If you ever need a picture with it, just hit me up and I got you. Alright, so now we're just exploring, you know. Oh, let's go in the woods. Let's go in the woods and let's explore. It's like a jungle in there. Like, do you see that? Do you see that? That is a jungle. A jungle. I say a jungle. Alrighty. So we gonna get this done and over with. Cause you know I like nature. I do. And Vanessa here, yeah, Vanessa likes talking. Third person. I think it's third person, maybe fourth person. Who knows? But alright. Next, Vanessa likes to talk about herself like that. So oh no, here's some little children. Just act natural. Because we don't like kids. They are just nasty. We just want to ignore them. Alright. Now just follow my lead. And we'll be okay.
Why'd you come in the woods?
Why I come in the woods? I want to come in the woods.
Melissa, she's my dog. She's gonna get lost.
You better go find her.
Come on. You better come too.
Okay, I'm coming. Oh, man. You run ahead. These mosquitoes. I hope I don't see a spitter. Mosquito. Okay, we're good now. Sorry about that. Sorry. Oh, sorry. That was bad. That was bad. Maybe the same. I feel like someone's watching me.
I'll tell you where she went.
Alright, let's go. I'm just gonna get tired. Selfie. Okay. But seriously, Vanessa ain't liking this wilderness. Do you see this? It's like the Hunger Games. The Hunger Games. Oh my god. And I being the one. Sorry. The one. Vanessa's the one who's getting me.
You don't like getting lost. I knew you would come back. I knew where we were going. I knew the way back. Don't go in there.
Yeah, my Vanessa's dog is named Cassie. Sorry. Trying to avoid these mosquitoes. Mosquitoes.
Cassie! We're leaving.
Alright, let's leave. Alright. This is Cassie's. My little sister's name. But Vanessa, she'll be fine. Vanessa can't survive in the wilderness. Hang on.
What were you doing?
I'm just taking a walk in the wilderness. Put your dress down and be a lady. Pretty flowers. Yes. Prickle thorn. Whew. I almost didn't survive that one. Whew. I almost died. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. Vanessa don't like this.
Can we go to the pig pen?
She don't like it. Yeah. Can I stick you in the pig pen?
No, I mean like in the woods, whatever you guys went to.
I don't want to go all the way there. I don't have bug spray on.
I do have bug spray on.
I know. I put it on you.
The doggy left a poop trail all the way back.
Well, that's lovely. Cassie! Come on, doggy. She just don't. Cassie!
I'm allowed to be my boss!
Cassie! Come on, girl. Come on, girlie. Yeah. Come on, Cassie. You got it, girl. You got it. Come on, guys. Come on. You're almost there. You're almost there. You got it, girl. You got it going on. Come on. What a beautiful baby girl. All right, come on, guys. Let's roll.
Let's roll this body.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, let's roll this body.
Okay.
He
So,
listens to
Cassie's can't into this picture.
Me too.
She's gotta get out of it. Let's go.
Let's follow her.
The wilderness is not for this. There's scary things here.
Go.
Vanessa don't like this. She just that was a could have been a beautiful picture. And Vanessa wanted to be all naturey, so she didn't wear any makeup. She's got this cute outfit on now. Just give me rocking the house. Alright. Vanessa is out. If you like this video, then like and give my sister a whole big old subscribe. And I'll steal her YouTube again and make another video, okay? Okay. So, until next time.
I'll be on the big rock.
See ya. Okay, Vanessa out.